viewers, and welcome to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the 1951 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. So let's get right into it. This build, or this model kit, can be built as a stock or a custom with the top up or top down. That's a pretty good combination of features there. I like the classic styling of the car. Here it has painting your model instructions on the front left hand side. Authentic stock version includes boot and up top. And it says for modelers 10 years through adulthood, so I fall into that category. Right. Has a custom version, which I kind of laughed at. The Dreamboat Ragtop features custom front and rear bumpers, roll pans, custom grille, and tunneled headlights. Reverse rim wheels with moon caps, wide Goodyears, and a drop front end. I like the look of it, but I think I will go with the stock build on this one. So let's see. Let's get into the inside here. We have the directions. Read these points before you begin. 2, 3, 4, 6. So 7 total steps. So that's not too bad. Yeah, I think that'll be a fairly simple, straightforward build. Okay, let's set that aside and see what we have in the contents. So open that up. We have a nice white styrene body. Doesn't look like much flash or warpage issues. A couple little areas on the bottom. Should be pretty simple to deal with. All the rest of the white parts. Floor pan. Here's one of the optional areas with the boot, the convertible top up. I really like that option. The exhaust, yeah, a little bit out of whack there, but I still think we're okay. Let's set the rest of this aside and let's go to the chrome tree. Let's take a look at that. That's looking pretty good. Custom grille, nice deep print in there. We have front rear stock bumpers, custom looking steering wheel, center caps, or hub caps. You have baby moons, headlights, license plates. That's way in there. All right, an AMT sticker. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Some flame decals. A small AMT box. That's a nice touch. So if you don't have room to display a full-size box, it gives you a little custom smaller box. Here goes the factory hood and the tires. Looks like a good many tires in here. Let's see exactly what we have. We got some soft rubber tires. Looks like for the custom application. And then we have some very skinny looking tires, for the stock application. So, not bad. Well, I'll give some more updates this coming week. So continue to look for an update on this build. Thanks for watching.